We've dropped into Mellish Engineering Services in Walsall. Make sure that's right for you.
That's correct, yeah.
Mark, I'm thinking Mellish Engineering Services, nuts and bolts.
Yep, that's what we are, yeah. We predominantly make nuts and bolts. About 90% of our turnover is nut and bolt related. But we do turned and mill parts as well.
So I'm thinking, you could get 10,000 of these from China for probably 10p or something. So why would I use a UK-based company to manufacture these nuts and bolts?
We have designed the company from a quality ethos, so people coming to us that want peace of mind with on what the products that they're buying. So we offer complete full traceability from mill origin to finished part, with a complete bespoke quality system to suit. Okay,
so with that traceability, what sort of industries is that going into then?
We sell a lot to the oil and gas. A lot of it is subsea, so these parts are going deep water. So the reason for the criticality and the quality measures is so they don't have to go and get one because it's a difficult area to get to, deep water.
Yeah, sure. Suitely. So, can you just talk me through? Some of these components of what is so special about them, please.
Yeah, we make in a lot of different materials. Super duplex, Inconel 718. We got L7, L7M, a lot of petrochemical grades. But again, the customer chooses. We're not into design, so the customer tells us what they actually want. So the materials are specifically for the environment that they're going into. That could be aggressive seawater areas, high temperature, very low temperature, and we make the part to suit their requirements.
Okay, so this one here as well, I presume, is coated.
Yeah, that's coated. It's PTFE coated, and that's what you call a ferry head cap screw, otherwise known as a 12-point. We've got double-ended studs, internal 12 points, hexagon nuts. So yeah, we do the full package.
Okay. And I'm assuming these are on some big fixed head lathes here that you've got.
Yeah, that was the main investment off mills last year. We're looking at accuracy and repeatability. And also machining techniques, being able to offer that competitive cost saving to the customer as well, because it is still a very competitive market. Yeah,
absolutely. So we're going to chat on a separate video about sort of the investment you've done over the last few years. But one thing, these parts all individually marked, for example, and full traceability. So you must have accreditations.
Yeah, we've got 2 years ago we went for American Petroleum Institute, which is otherwise known as the API. That gave us sort of we took a hard look at Mellish on where we want to position ourselves in the marketplace, and we saw API as a sort of a small community of fastener companies that actually are approved. So we saw it as an opportunity to be known for it, and we worked very hard. It took 18 months to actually put into the company, and now we are 3 audits on. We just had our annual audit last week, and we're doing very well at it.
Now you sort of talk that down a bit, but I understand, Mark, how many other companies in the UK have actually got this API accreditation?
There's 4 that have got the 20E, which is the bolting specification, and 3 have got the 20F. Okay,
and then we're going to go a bit further. What about in Europe?
In Europe, there is 6 on 20E and 5 on 20F. Okay, so there's I've referenced 2 bolting specifications there. It's material specific. So 20E is more your alloy steels, your L7s, the L7Ms, where 20F is your nickel alloys, 660s, Inconel 718.
Right. Okay. And then we'll go global. How many in the world have got sort of this API accreditation?
I looked at the composite list last night. I think there's only 20. We're one of a community of 22 worldwide.
Right. So impressive stuff. Sort of talking it down a bit, but that really is fantastic. Yeah. And to be based in the Midlands, UK, fantastic array of nuts and bolts from Mellish Engineering Services.
Thank you.